What's up, YouTube? Lazeric2 Official. Look, I'm back with another video. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also turn on your bell notifications so if I drop any videos, you won't miss them. So today we're finna talk about, if you need credit repair or not. Because a lot of people don't know if they need credit repair. So let's get into the video. So I had some people, I'm not gonna say people. I had a couple of people come to me asking, for credit repair because that's what I do. I fix credit. So we went to go get their credit report and we see that that person had no credit history whatsoever. Like he never had credit in his life. He have nothing on TransUnion, nothing on Equifax, and nothing on Experience. And that's not a bad thing. That's a good thing. So if you a person think you might need credit repair and you have zero credit, you don't need credit repair. You need to start building credit. So if you're a person like that, I just save you a whole bunch of time. I just save you a whole lot of money because there's some people out here that just take your money and having you thinking you need credit repair, but you don't. So make sure you like this video. And so if I was a person that was like that, right? I would start with a secure credit card. Not $200. I would probably start with $1,500. You gotta have a job doing this stuff. You gotta have some type of income coming in. Like you gotta have something coming in. You can't be a person without no income coming in trying to do this. So you make sure you go get a job, McDonald's, anywhere. They all hiring. So I would take $1,500, right? And I will go to 3 banks. I will go to Chase. I will go to Bank of America. And I will go maybe to PNC. Whatever banks that's you're more comfortable with, but make sure it's a major bank. And I will put $500 in each account. Because you want to do this. This is a real quick finesse. Like you want to have, every time you use those 3 credit cards, you want your credit to be shooting up 20, 25 points every time. Because a lot of people say it take 6 months for you to start building, so it don't take that long. This is how you get a quick finesse, quick credit score, real quick. So every time you're using no credit cards, your credit's shooting up 20, 25 points every time you use it. Then my next step will be going to either AT&T, T-Mobile, Verizon, US Cellular, whatever, phone places in your area. I will go to them and I will give me a phone. Doesn't matter what kind of phone it is. As long as you start paying payments on that phone, that payment history will go to your credit. So if you paying $150, $200 on the phone bill, that will go to your credit. That $200 phone bill will go to your credit. And that look good too. And then another thing you could do is like somebody in your family I would choose an older person. Grandma, granddad, mom, dad, auntie, somebody who have a credit card that had this credit card for at least 10 or 20 years. I would tell them to add me as an authorized user on their credit card. No, you do not need a credit card from them. They just need to add you on their credit card. So every time, they use their credit card, they history. So if they got 10-year history, 20-year history, that history will go to your credit profile. So that look good. Like you'll be in 90 days. If you do all this stuff in 90 days, your credit will shoot up real quick. I'm going to say in 90 days, your credit will be about a 678 to a 700. Quick. But you got to make sure you have everything on auto pay. Everything got to be on auto pay. And make sure you go to Self or Credit Strong too. That's another one. So look, make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now I got something for the people who have bad credit. So when you get your credit report, you got late payments, you got collections, you got inquiries, you got too many addresses on your credit profile, you need credit repair. Okay? You need credit repair. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. You need credit repair. So you need to get your credit report. I'm gonna leave the description below. You get your credit report for $1. You get all 3 credit bureaus, official tissue. Stop using Credit Karma. Stop using Credit Sesame. Stop using these free credit monitoring apps. Like, free don't really get you nowhere. You need something that's going to be official. If anybody using your information, they will send you an alert instantly. If anybody try to use your information, like try to go apply for credit, they will send you a notification. They will block, they will shut, they will freeze your credit report and send you an instant notification saying somebody trying to use your information. Credit Karma don't do that. Credit Sesame don't do that. None of the free apps do that. And if they do it, you'll get an alert 2-3 weeks down the line. So make sure you start paying for credit monitoring. So I'm gonna leave the description below. Get your credit report for $1. And also, if you need credit repair, I'm gonna leave the link below. You can send me an email or you can comment on this video saying I need credit repair, and we'll do a free consultation. We'll go over some things and look at your credit report. So make sure you get your credit report. So, and when you analyzing your credit report and you seeing negative items on your credit report, you need to get those things removed. But the first thing you need to do is you need to freeze all 3 credit bureaus when you start doing, when you start doing your credit repair process. You need to freeze all 3 credit bureaus. Once you freeze all 3 credit bureaus, you need a 609 letter, right? You need a 609 letter. You can't go on Google to go get 609 letters. Those letters are 10 to 15 years old. These letters change every 6 months to a year. These letters change constantly. So you need an up-to-date, 609 letter. Just like I say, I got 609 letters. If you need a 609 letters to start doing your credit repair process, I got them. I got multiple credit repair letters, but I have 609, up-to-date 609 credit repair letters. You can shoot me you can comment below, or I'm gonna leave my email so you can just talk to me, and we'll figure some things out. But make sure when you come to my YouTube channel, nothing is free. Credit repair is not free. Information is not free. Nothing is free. So make sure you understand that. If you don't have a job or anything like that, you need to go get you a job. Go get you a job. So back to what I was saying. So you need a 609 letter. And then the first thing you need to put on there is the addresses. Put the addresses on there. Send it out. Boom. In 30 days, maybe quicker than 30 days, those will be removed. So the creditors cannot see, where the loans came from. Like they can't see what the addresses is. So they can't verify the information basically. So when the address is removed and they try to verify it, they can't verify the information. So they have to remove the negative item that's on your credit, whether it be inquiry, whether it be a collection or a late payment. So if there's no address on there, they can't verify the information, so it got to get removed. So I hope I just helped somebody out. If I gave you any type of value, make sure you like this video. Just like it. Comment. Subscribe. Every time you do stuff like that, more comments I get, the more I can drop more videos. Just like this one. So whenever I prevail and go up, I'm gonna make sure you prevail and go up with me. So if I elevate, you're gonna elevate with me. We are a family. We're gonna treat this as a family. When I elevate, you're gonna elevate. Whatever information I get, I'm gonna give it to you. Some of it is not free because I can't tell you everything on YouTube because they'll ban my YouTube channel. So just make sure you understand that when you come to me, nothing is free. Nothing is free. So go get you a job if you don't have a job. So I'm gonna leave you on that note. Peace out.